Welcome to this second video of MONARC training. We will see the administration panel in the front office of MONARC. Whenever you click on the administration icon, you have three choices. You can manage the users, see the general settings, or check the templates of the deliverables. Let's check each menu. Now, in the menu, you can see all the accounts that can connect to the front office. The status shows if a user is enabled or not. A disabled user cannot connect, but you keep all the information of this user. You can enable a user by clicking the cross at the left of the first name, or disable it by clicking the check mark at the left of the first name. You can choose how you want to sort all the accounts by clicking the category you want to sort. If you click again on the selected category, you can change the ascending sort to descending sort and vice versa. You can also add user by clicking the button with a plus near the title Users. Per each user, you can edit the profile, reset the password, or delete the account, at the exception of your own account. Just a fair bit of warning though. If you delete an all administrator account, which is possible through the administration panel plus the user options, then you will have to put again your account by modifying your database in MONARC. By editing the account, you can set multiple things. You can change the first and the last name of the account, the email used, the permission and role of the user, to set a password you choose, or change the permission the account have for all risk analysis. The roles that exist are administrator, giving access to the administration menu, user, that permit to gain access to the risk analysis, and the global dashboard, that will give the user the permission to check the global dashboard. Considering each risk analysis, you can choose between no access, read access, preventing the user to change anything in the risk analysis, or a read and write access to modify the risk analysis. The next menu is about the global configuration of the front office. You can choose the name of the front office, but also the mail address of contact, which will be used to warn you of any problems. The last choice is the share of the statistics of your instance. We will be, of course, grateful if you accept to share with us the statistics, but you can refuse. No data of your analysis will be transferred, only anonymized statistics are sent to us to adapt as possible MONARC to your usage. The last available category considers the deliverable template. You can find in this menu all the categories where you can add or download a specific template. For each category, you will find the name of the template, the language it is available, in all languages possible for the risk analysis, and the download button where you can choose the language. For the custom template that you have added beside the defaults, you can modify them or delete them if you want. The best way to proceed, if you want to add a custom template, is to download the default template from the category you want to modify and change it the way you want to upload the new document afterwards. If you want all the indication you can add in the report, you can go on www.monarc.lu in the user guide of MONARC. And that's it for this video. The next video should be around the creation of the risk analysis and the first step in the MONARC method. I wish you a nice day, and I will see you on the next videos.